Then we take it from there.
Okay. Thank you very much for that. Let's get to our segment, D Street Chatter, where Nimesh will get us an insight into what dealing rooms are saying this afternoon. Nimesh.
Hi, Rima. So, on a relatively quiet day, after many days, you're seeing a bit of lull, so to speak. Barring Reliance, a big large cap name which is buzzing in trade on the back of the couple of news. Not much is happening in terms of the broader markets as well. In fact, the broader markets are relatively underperforming in today's trade. In terms of flows, again, it's a mixed day, but I understand there's going to be a small market at close basket buying in some select stocks. So maybe some moves will happen in the last 30 minutes of trade. In terms of sectors, I believe some bit of momentum is back in metal names. But surprisingly, the OMCs are under slightly pressure today. Looks like largely some profit booking in that space. But two things. One, Reliance has been a big talking point across all dealing rooms. And two, the other big talking point has been what could be the impact of Jio Financial Services on the NBFC space going forward. So that's been a big talking point as well. But broadly, barring Reliance, it's been a relatively quiet day as far as markets are concerned.
Okay, all right. Nimesh, what about individual stocks? Few more details you've got on individual counters?
So Nigel, in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list is Federal Bank. Some bit of accumulation seems to have started in that particular stock, and the flows are quite strong at the HNI desk. In fact, there is a buzz as well that maybe you'll see some corporate action in Federal Bank very soon. So that's something to track as far as Federal Bank is concerned. The second stock is Manappuram Finance. It was relatively quiet since morning, but the flows are quite strong in terms of buying interest, and you've seen a bit of recovery as well. So I understand some long-only funds and some domestic funds have started buying again into Manappuram Finance. So the third stock is Aegis Logistics. For the last 3-4 days, the delivery volumes are quite high in that stock. So again, the feedback is maybe some long-only fund seems to be accumulating Aegis Logistics at these levels. So that's the third one. And the last stock is Cholamandalam Finance. Within the NBFC names, this is one stock which is largely under pressure today on back of sell flows at a leading FI desk. Remember, last week there was a downgrade as well on the stock from Citigroup. So it's been one of the big outperformers within NBFCs, but after the rally, some bit of profit booking is seen in Chola Finance.
Okay, thank you very much for that, Nimesh. The other